Hello everyone and welcome to Spark Academy. This is a special video which we have made for all EAMCET 2023 aspirants. ఎవరైతే EAMCET एग्जाम 2023 AP EAMCET కానీ తెలంగాణ EAMCET కానీ जो भी लिख रहे हैं उनके लिए ये वीडियो है. ये वीडियो exclusively for all those students who are appearing for EAMCET 2023. So stay tuned to the video because we are going to discuss the strategy to get below 5000 rank. सो 5000 रैंक तक ఎలా తెచ్చుకోవాలి 5000 బిలో कैसा आना है वो सब हम लोग ये वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विथ इट. So before you start off, we would appreciate if you share this video with all your friends who are preparing for EAMCET 2023 because we want this video to reach out to as many EAMCET aspirants as possible because this is a question we have been getting from all the students, all the parents. They come and ask us as to how to get below 5000 rank. So this is the complete game plan, and if you have any other queries you can drop comments below. So first let's try to understand how many marks you need to get to achieve that below 5000 rank mark. So this is the trend. So we have done a analysis keeping into consideration last 4-5 years how the cutoffs are varying. So first trend which you observe is cutoffs are getting lower. Lower cutoff means the mark which you need to get below 10,000 rank in let us say 17, and the marks which you need to get now, that has reduced drastically. For example, last year if you got a total of around 62 gave you below 10,000 rank. So that is why this is the trend which we are observing, which is from marks versus rank. So basically we'll look at these two. So if you want to get around 10,000 rank, you need to be around 70 mark. Around 80 mark will give you 3500 rank. Around 90 mark will give you 2000 rank. So your first aim should be scoring between 80 to 100. If you want to get below 5000 rank, 80 to 100 is your range. More specifically, most likely if you score between 80 and 90, you will be getting below 3500 rank. Below 3500 rank, between, if you are close to 90, you'll be getting around 2000 rank as well. So 80 is the first magic number which you need to aim for. 80 marks అనేది తెచ్చుకోవాలి. 80 marks definitely लेके आना है. So how do we get these 80 marks is your next step. So for that, first you need to know what are the weightages. So our weightages पट्टी उस हिसाब से we will see what are the topics we need to focus on, what needs to be done, what is the complete strategy. So in the coming parts of the video, stay tuned. I'm also going to share the strategy. So in the short video, you will, if you follow this video, if you follow the resources which we will provide you, you will definitely get below 5000 rank if you follow the schedule meticulously. So this is the chapter-wise weightage for physics. So as usual, when you look at the chapter-wise weightage, the first thing you need to do is identify the higher weightage chapters. So if you can see here, thermodynamics is one, I can see 6 to 9 questions, work, power, energy, rotational motion, magnetism is one more, mechanical properties, ray and wave optics, and nuclei, semiconductor devices. So the modern physics part is higher weightage, heat and thermodynamics part are higher weightage, and in the mechanics part, work, power, energy, rotational motion, again higher weightage in mechanics. So first your focus should be on these, and again magnetism is one more which comes under electricity and magnetism part. Again ray optics, wave optics, optics part also super important. So these chapters actually, if you sum it up, you can get around 6, 10, 15, 20, 28, 30, around 30 marks are solely from this chapter. So if these chapters you do, 25 to 30 marks will be in your pocket. But the next thing is, obviously these chapters, some of them are very difficult, some of them are very lengthy. Like if you take a rotational motion, only if you have the basics of mechanics you will be able to do rotational motion better. So your fundamental aim in physics should be 20 to 25 marks should be your target. So now I have given you chapter-wise weightages. These are the chapters which you need to know, with an exception of rotational motion. There are other easy chapters which are directly concept based or very easy to solve, like units and measurements, atoms, like wave motion, oscillation. Those are also very easy chapters. So those easy chapters, especially which are in your 12th chapters, plus these higher weighted chapters, should be your priority in physics. So next, coming to chemistry, obviously organic chemistry, very important, super important. Up to 10 questions you can expect in organic chemistry alone, which is 25% of your paper. Out of 40 questions, 8 to 10 questions in organic alone. And then there are other easy chapters like polymers, electrochemistry, solutions, solid state, chemical bonding, all of these chapters. So again, you can identify whatever are the higher weighted chapters that you need to, again, thermodynamics in chemistry as well. Those chapters you need to identify and study first, right? Especially organic chemistry, you shouldn't be leaving organic chemistry because that forms the crux of your chemistry. And again, there's a lot of range given in the marks, like you can see 3 to 5 or 6 to 8. The range is because you have various slots, right? You are not, EAMCET exam is not being conducted on one day. It is being conducted on at least 3 to 4 days in general. So that is why the range varies. So in one slot, you might get 6 questions, 7 questions in organic, 15 questions in inorganic. So more or less, the higher weighted chapters will only give you an idea up to some extent. But you need to ensure generally whatever are the most important topics, you need to keep on revising them, you need to solve them. And again, if you look at maths chapter-wise weightage, again you can see chapters like functions, as I always tell my students, topics like calculus, geometry, this forms most of your paper, calculus and geometry. The other chapters like, matrices, vectors, all of that, again, this is just the average mark, so you can add plus or minus 2 marks. So generally matrices you can expect 2 to 4 questions, vectors totally you can see 6 questions, again scoring chapter. In geometry, again you can see here 2D geometry, straight lines, pair of straight lines, very scoring, conic sections, very scoring, calculus, the differentiation part and indefinite integration part, because indefinite integration you can solve using differentiation. So in this way, maths also you can solve. Before going to the maths part, chemistry, your aim should be 25 to 30. 25 to 30 marks in chemistry, you can easily do it if you follow the higher weighted chapters first, whatever is given in this table, followed by quick revision of other topics. Same with maths, if you do calculus, geometry thoroughly, along with other higher weightage algebra chapters and vectors chapters, even in geometry, if you focus on 2D geometry and fundamental basics of 3D geometry and conic sections along with circles, and in calculus, differentiation, indefinite integration, differential equations, limits, those chapters, if you do it along with algebra chapters like vectors, addition and product, those are easy scoring chapters. Matrices, again, easy scoring chapters. If you do that, you can aim for a 55 to 60 in mathematics. Even if you say you miss out on some of the lengthy difficult chapters, 55 to 60 should be your target in mathematics. The game plan, the more specific game plan for calculus should be, first, you need to be thorough with differentiation. If you are thorough with differentiation, you can do limits easily. If you are thorough with differentiation, you can also do indefinite integration easily. If you are thorough with indefinite integration, you can do differential equations easily. So in that way, you can map it out. And in geometry, conics, very easy chapter. In the 3 to 5 questions which are asked in conics generally, At least 2-3 questions you can solve just by conceptual visualization understanding. And again, 2D chapter, in circles and system of circles can be tricky, but even in circles and system of circles, you can look at first the, the fundamental formulas, the topics where you can solve easily using the direct concept. There are mixed concept problems that you need not do. Again, in conics also, if you're thorough with calculus, you will be able to solve the applications of differentiation part, which is finding tangent, finding normal, using differentiation concepts. Right? So this is your game plan for mathematics, again 55 to 60. So now if you look at it, mathematics 55 to 60, physics 20 to 25, chemistry 25 to 30 is your aim. This is your aim actually. So this is 75, so 100 to 115 marks is your aim. So let us say, you'll definitely make few mistakes. It's not that, you'll get all the questions right, but out of the 160 questions, what I mean is 100 to 115 you should be able to comfortably attempt. So even if you say, let us say you have 80 to 85% accuracy in this, you will be able to achieve that score of 85 to 100. 85 to 100 is the score which I told you, which will comfortably get you around 3500 or below, depending on the difficulty of level of the paper, depending on normalization. Other factors are also there, but 85 to 100 marks are the aim chaining. So how do we achieve that? So this is the game plan which you need to follow. The game plan is very simple. First, you need to revise only important basics. Now you need to understand you only have few days before the exam, so only important basic. And this should be your aim, which is shortcut methods and tricks, especially in subjects like mathematics and few concepts in physics. If you revise the shortcut methods, if you know what trick or shortcut method to apply, if you can verify from the options, you will be able to achieve the desired score. Because out of the 100, 115 marks, trust me, 40 to 45 marks can be directly achieved with the help of shortcut methods and tricks. 20 to 25 marks can be achieved directly using important basics and important formulas. The rest of the part, so 60 marks, generally any student should be able to attempt using this. But the next thing is you need to look at all the model questions using the previous year questions. I would recommend take last 10-year PYQs. You will get an actual picture. So you can take from 2012 to 2022, all the previous year questions, all the slots. This will give you the application oriented marks. So that extra 20 to 40 marks you can achieve when you solve all the model previous year questions. And then obviously you need to refer important exercise questions. And rest is all about test taking. You need to attempt, once you cover a chapter, you need to attempt the chapter-wise test. Every week, you need to have a part test or a weekend test, which you need to write. So you'll know combination of chapters, how you are able to do. And finally, you should be able to attempt the grand test or the full length test papers. And after every test, you need to do the analysis and get your doubts clarified. This is very important because you need to get all your doubts clarified. It's a very, you don't have any time to waste, right? So your preparation should go on like a machine, right? So if you have any doubts, kuch bhi doubt hai, yeah, if you have any concerns, you need to do it. Now, how do you achieve all this? So important basics is something, which has to be taught by someone. So you have to join a coaching institute or take a video series to clarify all your basics. Even the shortcut methods and tricks is where coaching institutes should play a part. So you should ideally join this coaching institute. And we at Spark Academy are here to help you with the shortcut methods and tricks as well. So then all the model questions, you can take any previous year question bank and you can start solving the chapters based on the weightage, based on the game plan which I give you. You should be able to have the access of test series, chapter-wise tests, weekend tests, grand tests, and accordingly you can do the test analysis. Now I'm going to tell you how our methodology is. So, ideally, if you are looking to appear for EAMCET 2023 examination, uh, whatever I discussed is the game plan. We are following the same game plan. We are not changing anything whatsoever. We'll discuss the important basics. We'll discuss the shortcut methods, all the model questions, previous year questions. We'll discuss important exercise questions, and a lot of tests also available to you to solve. Will help you with the analysis, and most importantly, the doubt clarification can be done with the help of us. And we have highly experienced faculty. We offer personalized coaching, so we only take up to 45 students in a batch for the crash course. uh, it's a process oriented coaching, so whatever I told you, you need to follow it regularly. Then only you will be able to get that score, you will be able to see that improvement. Personal mentoring and doubt clarification. This is again through our app or through our you know classroom coaching. We will be helping you with the doubt, and we take limited batch size as I told you. Generally in our courses we take around 25-30 in a batch. For crash course, since the time is short, we are slightly taking more intake, so which is around 45 students per batch, 40 to 45 students per batch. So this is how you can enroll for the Spark Academy crash course, which is available in our Narayanguda, Medipattam and ECL branches. Timings will be 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You'll be having daily classes, test analysis reports, previous year questions, full end test, doubt clarification, whatever I mentioned, everything is available to you here. So, basically, in all our branches, ECL, Narayanguda, Medipattam, your classroom coaching is available for you. Uh, we have, made a very good schedule also for you, which I'll be showing you, which we'll be following. Most importantly, first batch admissions are almost full actually. So the first batch for crash course CC1, we already have started enrollments, because since the time is short, you won't have much of the time after your boards. It's starting on 30th March. 30th March, we are starting the syllabus directly, right? So for the first batch, you need to enroll immediately. 8977 525 461 is the contact number which you can call. In the classroom coaching, we have made whatever game plan which we told you. Accordingly, we made that schedule where we are discussing higher weightage chapters, making you solve the chapter-wise tests, providing you the material, providing you with the videos which you can refer at home, grand tests, chapter-wise tests, everything. So we have made exclusive content for all of you, which you can go through the same. So this is how we are doing it, and for the timings are 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can enroll. I urge you to enroll immediately if you're looking for classroom coaching. Now let us say if you don't want classroom coaching, if you are staying far away, then you can enroll for our Spark Academy self-help program, which is the self-study course. So this is the detailed EAMCET 2023 self-study course. In this, you can see here the content is given. The 30-day preparation plan is given chapter-wise, daily, what you need to do. Detailed instructions are given. The document will open in a second or two. So detailed instructions, study plan is given to you. So you can see here the schedules, what you can do at home or what you can do at the institute. Daily chapter-wise, what all you need to cover. And if you open the content, there are daily tests available to you, day-wise given. So you can use this, and also all lecture videos we have coordinated, and every lecture video of maths, physics, chemistry, biology is also getting uploaded soon. So you'll be able to see that. You'll also be able to attempt all the full end tests, weekend tests, grand tests, complete study material including synopsis are given, which you can download and study. So whatever help is there, through our chat option, you can get your help and support, and all regular announcements will be there. As you can see already, a lot of students are there. who have enrolled for the same. And if there are any queries or anything, you can contact us as soon as possible. The course price is 5499, but we are giving a 10% discount for the uh, you know next few students. So if you apply for the same, if you apply for the course, you will get it at an effective price of 4949 rupees only. So in the chapter-wise plan which we give, day-wise plan, we have also given the weightages for all the subjects. We have given you how to ask the doubts, everything. We are here to help you guys. We are here to help you. We are here to support you. Uh, for classroom students, we are giving this course for free. So classroom students, whoever are enrolling, this is included already. So you need not pay anything extra. So you are going to get classroom coaching every day 10 to 4. We'll make you write the tests here in the classroom coaching. We'll clarify all your doubts. But if you're opting for this, you will be getting recorded videos, chapter wise, as I showed you, daily tests. And also we'll be conducting weekly workshops live there. So in those workshops, you can get your doubts clarified, shortcut methods, tricks, everything we are going to discuss that. So you can decide which course you want to join. Anyway, as I told you, 8977525461 is the contact number. So you can download our application for, if you want for any discounts or anything, you can download the app. As I told you, if you want to enroll for the course, the link is given below. EAMCET 2023 is the coupon code which you can use for the self-study course. For classroom coaching, 8977525461. You can register for the amount. You can register, pay the registration amount, and block your seat. So even for that, we are giving an exclusive discount, 10% discount we are giving. So this is about our crash course program. So you can contact, we'll give you the fee details. So whatever is required, I've told you. Finally, you can download our application, subscribe to our channel, because in the channel we are going to discuss all the latest updates, all shortcuts, tricks, lot more is being discussed on our YouTube channel as well. You can join our Telegram group where we are conducting regular quizzes. Spark Academy Online. You can just open Telegram and type Spark Academy Online. We conduct quizzes regularly. We share free study materials, all YouTube updates, all our course updates. Everything you can find in our Telegram channel. Finally, if you have any doubts, as I told you, 8977525461. You can call. So thank you everyone for joining. If you have any doubts, you can drop a comment below. I hope students who are watching this video will get my, I'm praying that you all get below 5,000 rank. Thank you, and you can contact this number in case of anything. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.